I just got the new Samsung Foldable, so we're gonna be checking these out. And since I'm a flip girly, I'm gonna start, of course, with the new Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7. Good day, you beautiful people. It's actually Unpacked Day right now. I just came from the launch event and they announced a lot of things. A new Fold, the new Flip, the new Watch 8, the new Watch 8 Classic, and the new color for their Watch Ultra. But in this video, I'm happy to bring you finally the retail unit for the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7. In this video, we're gonna be unboxing this. We're gonna check out the cameras. I'm gonna be vlogging with this phone. We're also gonna be testing out AI with that new cover screen. Without further ado, let's unbox. Okay, so if you're curious about what's new with the Z Flip 7, I do have a video that discusses all of that. I'll link it up here and down below so you can check that out. Now, as you may have noticed, I don't have the pink Z Flip 7, which is sad because that's the one I wanted and that's the best color from this year and no one can convince me otherwise. I'm over it. And now that we're over it, let's see what we can do with this phone. Now, we are going to Galaxy Unpacked Night Unpacked Night this evening. And if you saw my first video with a Flip, there was a really cool demo where they used the cover screen and the flex cam and the cameras with Gemini to ask about outfits. I've been dying to try that. Let's do just that. Okay, Gemini, I'm in New York and I have a party at 6 p.m. later. I might be walking to the venue. There might be a lot of dancing and a lot of people. I am trying to decide between these two tops. What should I wear?
Okay, let's get you ready for your party. Both tops look great, but the black one looks a bit dressier, which might be perfect for a party with dancing. The white one is also cute and stylish, but it might be a little more casual. Do you want to go for a more dressed up or laid back vibe?
I want to go for a more dressed up vibe. Now, give me a second. Gemini, between the two shoes, what should I wear with a black top?
Black boots would look great with that top. They'll add a bit of edge to your outfit, and they're perfect for walking and dancing. Do you have any jewelry or other accessories you're planning to wear?
Is this okay?
Yes, that gold choker looks great with the black top. It adds a touch of elegance and complements the dressy vibe you're going for.
What about between the top I'm wearing and this tank top?
The black top definitely looks more dressy and elegant, while the tank top is more casual. If you're going for a dressy vibe, the black top is perfect, especially with the gold choker you're wearing. It also looks great with the black boots you showed earlier.
Okay, that pop-up keeps on happening because the internet in the hotel isn't as great as I would like, but that was really cool. Okay, not gonna lie, that was a crazy experience. Gemini basically picked my outfit. Now, this is a different phone, but literally, I send my outfits to my friends so they can help me pick because I'm so bad at it. This is gonna save me so much time. Trish, if you're watching this, thank you for your help, but I have Gemini Live now. Shooting with a front-facing camera, the one on the screen, not on the cover. But before we continue, this clip was shot outdoors, so you can obviously hear the oncoming traffic. Shooting with a front-facing camera, the one on the screen, not on the cover, and I'm shooting in 4K. Now, we can clean that up. Audio Eraser is available on the phone. With a front-facing camera, the one on the screen, not on the cover, and I'm shooting in 4K. I'm out right now because I need to go get food before this event. Otherwise, I'm grumpy. That is so clean. I'm also gonna be adding on the label what clips I've audio erased. Anyway, carry on with the vlog. Shooting with a front-facing camera, the one on the screen, not on the cover, and I'm shooting in 4K. I'm out right now because I need to go get food before this event. Otherwise, I'm grumpy. rear cameras right now. This is 4K wide, 1x, 2x, 4x, and then we have 10x. We can zoom. Well, that's as much as we can zoom. On here, back to 1x, then back to wide. Now, what I keep on forgetting is that you can shoot with a cover screen on this phone. And right now, I'm doing just that. It's way easier on your hands if you shoot this way, especially if you're like me and you have teeny hands. Or even if you just don't want to be like holding such a big thing when you're out vlogging. Right, so with this phone, you can shoot with a cover screen, and these are the new controls. You can move them where it's convenient for you. For me, I like it on this side, and you can also now zoom in really easily because of these new controls. You still have the palm gesture for selfies, and I love how it shows you where to look so you're not confused. Swipe right, you can switch to portrait, you have photo, you have video, and you can also change the sizes for the video you're shooting. Unfortunately though, for horizontal videos on the cover screen, you cannot do 4K. However, if you do a 16:9, you can shoot in 4K now. So I guess it's basically how the phone crops the video while showing it on cover screen. And as you can see there, that's also the warning where you should be looking while you shoot video. Again, very useful. Aside from that, you can also launch the camera with a double tap. And this is not the only configuration you can shoot with this phone. You can use the tent, and this is a great way. Ooh, did you see that? That was the auto zoom on cover screen, which automatically frames you. But yes, this is one way you can shoot. You could also, of course, do this, which is a favorite form factor of mine. Like, I feel like you can just adjust it to whatever angle you need it to be. Another way people like shooting with this phone is on camcorder mode, like here. And it just allows you to sort of reach the controls easily, like record or zoom in or out. Very convenient. Right, back to the vlog. So this is a fit. I am shooting with a cover screen of the phone. Wearing boots like Gemini suggested. Yeah, let's go. So despite being a thinner fold, this phone reps a 4,300 milliamp hour battery, and that's bigger than the previous folds. Now, in the last few days that I've used this phone, I've gotten a full day's worth of charge, and the most I've gotten was 5 hours screen on time. Now, I know that's not indicative of battery power, and that really depends on how you use the phone, but this was quite impressive considering I was vlogging on this phone. It had a SIM in, it was using data. Do I personally want a bigger battery? Of course. Does that want trump my love for this foldable form factor? Actually, no. And honestly, as there are phones with better battery capacities, there are also phones with worse battery capacities than this, and they don't flip. Now, you've seen me do AI on cover screen with a phone earlier in this video. Now, let's see how that feature fares when we're out and about. Just two girls trying to find their way to a coffee shop.
But it's easy because we have Gemini Live on the Flex window, and I just asked it right now. Here we go. I said, I'm wearing heels. What are some aesthetic coffee shops near me? And it said chic and cozy. I'm like, yeah. So we are now walking to Blue Bottle Coffee Shop. And it says we gotta walk straight for 500 meters. Let's go.
And so worth it to note that she didn't even unfold her phone trying to do all that. Gemini, I want something nutritious but filling. Which should I pick? Ooh, avocado toast. Where's the avocado toast? Oh, perfect. But I have a mind of my own, so I'm gonna order something else. But you get the idea. Gemini, can you give me the nutrition facts for this meal? Ooh. Podcast time. So we just did the podcast with Kat.
Hey.
And Kate.
Hi.
And Kat has the pink, I'm gonna say pink, pink Z Flip 7. Kate is the foldy in this group. And she has a Z.
And I'm not embarrassed to admit it.
I'm gonna link this in the description box. See you there. The next day, we were out to see the Yankees game, and while a lot of people were testing out zooms on their devices, which I did too a little bit, but yeah, while they were doing that, I took a lot of cover screen selfies. Now, what I love about Samsung cameras is that if you don't like the photos you're getting fresh out of the camera, you have choices. So you can add filters on here actually, and you can adjust the strength of the filter, color temperature, contrast, saturation, even film grain. And these are presets you can save and adjust your lighting, or you can even get a photo that you've taken, you've already color graded, and use that to make your filter, for example, and you can apply the same look and vibe to the photos you take moving forward. Right, we just got food, and guess where I am? I can't believe I'm here though. We have food, we have beer, we got the view, we're ready. We're just girls who like sports. Sports. Yeah. Can you tell us about sports?
Right now we're on a break here somewhere.
Nice. Can you tell us about sports?
A big sports fan, obviously.
Yes, your hat says sports.
So sports.
Yay!
Basketball.
Can you tell us about sports?
Can I tell you about sports? What sport do you want to know about?
Basketball.
Girl, I'm actually a huge Jays fan, so I shouldn't even be here right now.
Okay.
But they play the Jays in like 2 weeks, so maybe I'll be back.
I don't know what happened. Perfect. So now we are fully
Stop.
We are sports girls.
Yeah, this is it.
Sure, love it. I love it.
I think we look really cute.
Look at me. I'll take a picture here.
Okay, so the sporty girls are done. We are leaving.
We went shopping.
We have matching hats now.
We ate literally and figuratively.
We did. Took me a second.
Yeah, we did.
We did.
Okay, so see you later. Bye. Okay, ending this vlog and I'm finally home now. That was our Z Flip 7 vlog test. Let me know what you guys think of the videos and photos that came out with this phone. Now, as for my thoughts, am I sad I didn't get a pink flip? Yes, I'm actually very sad about that. But am I still sold on the Z Flip? Also yes. This sleeker form factor plus the bigger cover screen was something that I've been waiting to happen on these flip phones. As with all the flip phones we've tested out, you're not getting the best camera hardware on here. I mean, you can't really fit that on here. But in my opinion, these are very capable cameras. Plus the AI edit features that you already get on most Samsung flagships, coupled with the flip hardware and the fact that you can shoot with many different ways and angles, I'd say this can be a very useful tool for your content. And this year, more than any other year, I'm definitely sold on the Z Flip. That's it for today's video. If you want to know how I use my tech on a daily basis, find me online. That's IsaDoes_ on Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok. Till next time.